What did you do yesterday? Okay, Paul, quick question.
Uh-oh, why do I feel nervous already?
Because this is a dangerous English question.
Dangerous?
Yes, one small mistake and suddenly yesterday becomes tomorrow.
Wait, what?
Here's the question. What did you do yesterday?
Easy. Yesterday, I go to market and buy some apples.
Oh no.
What? What?
Ladies and gentlemen, today's episode is officially an emergency.
Please help me.
Today we're learning the past simple tense naturally, without boring grammar rules.
Thank goodness.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to talk about yesterday, last night, last weekend, your childhood, your embarrassing moments.
Please don't mention my embarrassing moments.
Too late.
I'm leaving.
No, you're not. Sit down.
Okay.
Let's fix your English together.
Intro.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
The place where you learned real English without feeling like you're trapped inside a grammar textbook.
Exactly. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul, the human example of learning from mistakes.
And honestly, that's the best way to learn.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good, because today we're talking about one of the most useful things in English.
The past simple, which sounds scary.
But is actually super easy when you learn it naturally.
And today we'll practice together like real conversations.
So relax, grab your tea, coffee, or mysterious energy drink.
Mine tastes like battery acid.
Please stop drinking that.
Never.
And if you enjoy learning English this way, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Because we suffer for this content.
Mostly Paul suffers.
True.
Section 1. What is past simple? Okay, Paul, first question. What is the past simple used for?
To talk about dinosaurs?
Technically, yes.
Yes!
But more generally, we use past simple to talk about finished actions in the past.
Ah, things that already happened.
Exactly. For example, I watched a movie. She visited her grandmother. We played football. They studied English. All finished, done, over.
Like my diet.
What happened?
I saw pizza yesterday.
Understandable.
Mini practice.
Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Ready? I watched TV yesterday.
I watched TV yesterday.
Good. I cleaned my room.
I cleaned my room.
Did you actually clean your room?
Why are we attacking me personally? Section 2. Regular verbs.
Now let's make this easier. Many verbs in past simple just add ed.
Simple enough.
For example, watch, watched, clean, cleaned, play, played, cook, cooked.
Okay, wait. Pronunciation changes sometimes, right?
Yes, and this confuses many learners. But don't panic. You do not need to sound perfect immediately.
Thank you, because sometimes I say watched it.
Honestly, that's adorable.
I am choosing to take that as a compliment. Real conversation practice.
Let's have a natural conversation. Paul, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I worked, watched YouTube, cooked dinner, and accidentally burned my bread.
How do you burn bread?
Talent?
What did you cook?
Eggs.
And the bread still died?
Yes. Speaking practice.
Okay, listeners, now your turn. Answer this question out loud. What did you do yesterday?
Pause the video if you need time. And don't just think the answer. Say it.
Exactly. Speaking changes everything.
Section 3. Irregular verbs. The chaotic ones. Okay, Emily. Now tell them the scary part.
Irregular verbs.
The villains of English.
Honestly, yes. These verbs do not use ed. For example, go, went, eat, ate, buy, bought, see, saw, come, came.
Why can't English just behave normally?
Because English enjoys drama.
Funny mini story.
Okay, Paul, tell us about your weekend using past simple.
All right. Last weekend, I went to a mall, bought new shoes, ate spicy noodles, and saw a guy dancing alone in the parking lot.
Maybe he was happy.
Maybe he escaped from a wedding.
That escalated quickly.
Listener practice.
Okay, everyone, repeat after us. Go, went, eat, ate, buy, thought, see, saw.
Again.
Yes, repetition helps memory.
Go, went, eat, ate, buy, bought, see, saw. Common mistakes. Can I confess something embarrassing?
Always.
I used to say, I goed to school.
Classic learner mistake.
And one time I said, I buyed a sandwich.
Oh no.
The cashier looked at me like I broke English.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every learner does. Mistakes are part of speaking.
Exactly. If you wait to become perfect, you'll never speak.
Section 4, questions in past simple. Now, let's learn something super useful. Questions. We use did plus subject plus base verb. For example, did you watch the movie? Did she call you? Did they eat dinner?
Wait. Why is it did you go, not did you went?
Excellent question. Because after did, the verb goes back to normal, base form. So, did you went? Did you go? Did she ate? Did you eat?
Okay, that actually makes sense.
See? Grammar is less scary in conversation.
Role play.
Let's do a quick role play. I'll ask questions. Ready?
Born ready.
Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you exercise?
No, I didn't.
Did you clean your room?
Next question.
That means no.
Speaking practice.
Everyone listening, answer these questions aloud. Did you drink coffee today? Did you sleep well last night? Did you call a friend recently?
And yes, talking to your dog counts as communication.
Depends what the dog said back.
Section 5. Negative sentences.
Now let's learn negatives. We use did not or didn't. Examples: I didn't sleep early. She didn't study. We didn't go outside.
This is actually easier than I expected.
Exactly. Past simple is very conversational.
Real-life conversation.
Paul, why do you look tired today?
Because I didn't sleep well.
Why not?
I watched one episode of a show.
And
Suddenly it was 3 a.m.
every human on earth understands this pain.
Natural speaking practice.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I didn't understand. I didn't go out. I didn't finish my homework. I didn't sleep enough.
That last one hurts emotionally. Section 6. Storytime practice.
Okay, Paul, time for a challenge. Tell a short story using past simple.
Oh no.
Oh, yes. Go.
Paul's story. All right. Yesterday was a disaster. I woke up late. I missed my alarm. I jumped out of bed, looked at my phone, and realized I had only 5 minutes. I ran to the kitchen, made coffee, dropped the coffee, cleaned the floor, changed my shirt, and forgot my wallet. Then I left the house and
Please tell me it gets worse.
it absolutely gets worse. I arrived at work on my day off.
No!
Yes.
That's painful.
I just stood there like a confused potato.
Listening analysis. Okay, listeners, did you notice all the past simple verbs? Woke up, missed, jumped, looked, realized, ran, made, dropped, cleaned, forgot, left, arrived.
That's a lot of past tense.
Exactly. Stories are great for learning past simple naturally.
Section 7. Daily Life English.
Now let's practice real daily life English. I'll ask questions and Paul answers naturally. Ready?
Let's do this.
Daily questions. What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate toast and eggs.
Did you cook it yourself?
Technically, yes.
Technically?
I almost burnt everything.
What did you watch recently?
I watched a documentary about sharks.
Interesting.
Now I'm scared of swimming pools.
That's not where sharks live.
Or is it?
Who did you talk to yesterday?
I talked to my mom.
Oh,
She asked why I still don't clean my room.
mothers never forget. Section 8. Fast fluency practice. Okay, everyone. Quick fluency practice. Don't think too much, just answer fast. Ready?
Pressure.
What did you eat yesterday?
Pizza.
What did you watch?
YouTube.
What time did you sleep?
Too late.
Did you study English?
Yes.
Did you exercise?
Next question.
This kind of fast practice helps your brain think in English.
And helps you panic in English too.
That's part of the process.
Section 9. Emotional encouragement.
Can we talk honestly for a second? A lot of English learners feel nervous about speaking, especially with grammar.
Yeah, many people are scared of making mistakes.
But listen carefully. You do not need perfect English to communicate. You just need courage to speak.
And honestly, people care more about communication than perfection.
Exactly. A small mistake is okay. Silence helps nobody.
I made hundreds of mistakes while learning.
And you still improved.
Because I kept talking. Section 10. Final practice challenge.
Okay, everyone. Final challenge. Answer these 3 questions out loud. Ready? What did you do yesterday? What did you eat last night? Did you study English this week?
And don't whisper.
Yes, speak confidently, even if your answer is simple. Simple English is good English.
Outro.
And that's it for today's episode.
Today we learned how to use the past simple naturally in conversation.
We practiced regular verbs, irregular verbs, questions, negatives, storytelling, real-life speaking.
And we learned that I should never cook bread again.
Absolutely.
Final motivation.
Remember, English fluency doesn't happen in one day. It grows little by little, one conversation, one mistake, one practice session at a time.
So don't quit just because speaking feels uncomfortable. That uncomfortable feeling means you're improving.
Comment question. Before you go, answer this in the comments. What did you do yesterday?
And try using at least 2 past tense verbs.
We'd love to read your answers. If this episode helped you, like the video and subscribe for more natural English podcast lessons.
We make English easy, relaxed, and actually fun.
Thanks for listening.
And thanks for surviving my terrible grammar.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.